Day 332, 2023. I had another busy work day. At night, after cooking dinner, and also after dinner, I went to my Kung Fu exercise class. We skipped so much, and my daughter, in fact, skipped the majority of the class. I do regret to drag her to that class, and now she has homework and she can't go with me, so I often have to go by myself. I enjoy it, and it's a good exercise for me. I felt good after sweating a lot. Tonight I want to share a memory because recently my boss was inviting us to share a baby picture of us when she was planning to have a baby shower for one of my colleagues. And then I was thinking I didn't really have any baby pictures of me, perhaps big baby pictures of my daughter. And then my daughter doesn't like me to share any of her pictures lately, so I have to respect her wish. Then I found my earliest childhood picture, which was taken when I was around 4 or 5 years old. And I didn't have any other pictures until I was about 12 years old. So that picture was definitely very important to me. However, it's very scratched and it's black and white and had some tear and has cracks on it. So I thought about AI restoration of photos. So after this video, I'm going to share a post on LinkedIn to seek assistance from anyone who can help direct me to the right tool, or anyone who can help me restore my picture. So wish me luck. See you tomorrow. Bye.